We have a 2009 Nakamura Tome TW-8. It's a 4-axis machine with a FANUC 31IA control. The machine has Northfield air collet closer on the left spindle. It's got a Northfield 6-inch 6-jaw air chuck on the right spindle. 2 12-position turrets and a parts catcher. We're going to run the machine. Left spindle, 500, 1,000, 2,500. Right spindle is 700, 1,500, 3,000. Max RPM is 6,000 on each spindle. Now we're doing index of the left turret. Z-axis on the left, X. Now the right. All right. You can inspect this machine on our floor in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching.